Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this Suzuki Vitara. So this car has full Suzuki service history, comes with 16-inch alloy wheels, there's DAB digital radio, CD player, Bluetooth, you also get dual zone air conditioning and cruise control. So let's have a look around. This car has one previous owner. It's got a 1.6 litre petrol engine that gives you 118 horsepower. The car's done under 15,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Used Car Centre in Yeovil. Thank you.